Yeah, so this is when it comes to how do we access the data. This is kind of something that we've built over a long period of time. When engineers are working, they need to be able to access the data from anywhere. So you need to be able to support hybrid teams where they're all over the world, all over the country. You need to be able to connect. So if you can have a VPN, so traditional VPNs, can connect back into an office where a server is. We've got Usually they're not fully designed most of the time for to be able to handle large data or SolidWorks type data. If there's one of the main reasons that SolidWorks files can be corrupted is that network traffic. So that's like the number one cause for corrupted files is network traffic. So if you're not really monitoring and testing and making sure that your VPN will work with SolidWorks when it comes to saving files into PDM or manage or anything like that, then you could start running into a lot of problems. So that's something that we've spent a lot of time on is just the actual pipe that the files are riding on. We've spent a lot of time making sure that that works well with SolidWorks. And that's definitely something to take a look at. Then it comes down to, okay, we're opening it up to connections remotely. Now we have to look at security, and we have to look at security all the time anyway, I guess. But every time you're opening up connections, you need to have things like multi-factor authentication turned on, and you have to be able to audit that all the time so that you know that your security is locked down. So we still have, I mean, almost Tanner, you'd say almost every month somebody comes up to us and says, we got ransomware again. We've been attacked by this, and all of our IP is being held hostage, or it's just gone, or it's corrupted, or it was on an old server that wasn't patched. So it is still top of mind for us, the security risks that come with managing data in general.
And to kind of piggyback on that, yes, ransomware attacks happen every single day, and most of the ones that we see are coming in through weird backdoors through local vulnerabilities like network vulnerabilities, open IP
Yeah.
addresses that are local. So it's not that the ransomware is coming through the EpiGrid system, but it's isolated from their local network enough where any ransom breach that goes to your local office will not go through to the EpiGrid portion because of the security protocols that we put in place.
Yeah,
So that,
we hear it with other systems, yeah, that come to us and say, "Hey, we need to move to EpiGrid because we can't have this happen again." And maybe it was neglected. I mean, security is always one of those things that we could do an entire webinar just on that
and
because
we will.
it's neglected, right? And I don't really have to do all that stuff because I've never had a problem. And then boom, then you have a problem. So it's
Yeah, it's the classic if it ain't broke, don't fix
yeah.
it problem, which does not work with IT. It does not work because
Yeah. Because it is
with
broken already. We just don't
it's
know it
always
yet.
broken. Exactly. Something's always broken, and it's on us to monitor to understand where the threat actors are now trying to get into and close those loopholes.
Mhm. And when it comes
So
to security as well, one more thing we're hearing a lot of people that need to be CMMC compliant, FedRAMP stuff, all that stuff nowadays. It seems to be much more in many, many more of the conversations we're having day to day with engineering teams. So it's definitely something to keep at the very top of your list, or it'll be a problem later.
yeah, and you don't have to be a DoD contractor to be concerned with cybersecurity. In fact,
Yeah.
everyone should
Mhm.
be equally concerned. And the DoD folks just have a few different layers that they have to apply on top of their normal security in order to comply. But we can help you with that if that's a specific concern of yours. We're not going to get into that on this webinar, however,
Yeah, I could go all day on that one, but
for
we
sure.
can.